Welcome at Pizza and More. This time we make again a pizza variant, a variation which should be on each of the pizza menus. This one is a real classic one, a real classic pizza. I'm Juergen and we make today a Pizza Tonno e Cipolla. So a pizza with tuna and onions. From this kind of pizza there are various variations available. So there are some with or without tomato sauce, with different kind of tuna, with baked onions or with the normal fresh onions, with or without olives or however. Today we make a real classical one, and the other variants will be shown in a later video somewhere in the future. On this classic one there is a space, so at first we have a Neapolitan pizza dough, then we stretch our pizza dough like we do it always for a Neapolitan pizza. The base is a nice tomato sauce made from San Marzano tomatoes, together with only a little bit of sea salt, which is then the Neapolitan pizza sauce or tomato sauce. As next, a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan or Grana Padano, then the Fior di Latte or Mozzarella cheese, and then we have the tuna, some onions, and as my special variant I add some nice cherry tomatoes. And now I would say we start with making this nice variant of pizza. And here is the dough now already on my counter, and as already said, we stretch now our pizza on the Neapolitan way, like we already know. As first topping we add our tomato sauce. If you want to know how I made this tomato sauce, please have a look in the video description. There I will put a link from a video where I show and where I explain everything around the tomatoes and how the original Neapolitan tomato sauce is made. As next we have some fresh grated Parmesan cheese or Grana Padano. Then as next we have our Mozzarella Fior di Latte. Then as next we have here the tuna. We have here the onions, that's the reason why it's called Tonno e Cipolla. And then some cherry tomatoes. Then some olive oil. And the pizza is ready for the oven. To launch the pizza I put some semolina onto the peel, lift the dough and push the peel under, and then I stretch to the pizza to its final size. And then it's time for the oven. And the oven is preheated to 450 degrees. And here comes our real classic pizza, Tonno e Cipolla. You saw at the end I added again a little bit of olive oil. This makes especially the tuna a little bit more wet and a little bit easier to eat. However, olive oil is also very healthy. And from my perspective, the Pizza Tonno e Cipolla is a very classic one, as I already said. It should be really on each menu. People should try it, people should eat it because it's a fantastic one, and you also should give it a try. If you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel, and then we see us also in the next video. Ciao!